हाँ मैंने मोटा में आप खाली फ्लो पाई नहीं है तर परे आउट रेकॉर्ड कर दो
ना या ମୁଁ ଏଥର କରିବି ଭଲସେ yes I can do
cool
it.
ତାହେଲେ
called House the Jokes. ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ଗଲି.
Best of luck, you'll be fine. I would. Take
Thanks.
1, 2, 3, go.
हाँ. Hello and welcome to a brand new show called House the Jokes. आज खुश तो बहुत होगे तुम. इतने दिनों बाद ज्योति का वीडियो आया है तो खुश होना तो लाजमी है. तो बिना वक्त जाया किए let's get started. But wait, before moving ahead, let me first quickly brief you about what this show is going to be all about. So, How's the Jokes is going to be a talk show where I, your host Jyoti, is going to invite some celebrity guests over a video call and engage them with some fun talk, obviously, and in some really interesting games. माने बहुत सारा कथाबार्ता हबा बहुत सारा गेम्स खेलिबा but the interesting part about the entire show is going to be that on winning these games they will get your love appreciation and affection priceless isn't it माने स्नेह ममता भलो पाइबार बड़ कोन कहले exactly but जदि से माने हारिले if they lose these games तो कोन हबो we will give them some dares. I have a list of dares from 1 to 10 and they will be given the liberty to choose the number only and they'll perform it. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have a lot of fun. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, guys. It's time to call the guest of tonight. Our first guest is a comedian, a digital content creator, entrepreneur, and co-founder of Oliver Ridley Media, part-time YouTuber, and full-time crush of all Odia girls on Instagram. You must have seen him in huge billboards in several corners of Bhubaneswar with Bhubaneswar Bulabuli or Chocolate Talks written on it, and in some really super cool YouTube videos such as Hey Bhubaneswar or Who Killed Bhumikal kind of videos. But the only thing he's associated the maximum number of times is advocating against bong supremacy. My God. And our second guest is an actor whose striking work has gotten her a lot of appreciation and won her many awards. We have seen her as a child artist in movies like Sasugoro Chalijibi and Sabotama, but we fell in love with her as Smruti from Tulasi. Cut to the recent times, she is all grown up to be a National Film Award winner. And she has been to ZTV India's Best Cine Star Ki Khoj. And then, okay, wait, let me just read it out because the list is so huge. MTV India's Ace of Space 2 and acting in Star Bharat's Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki, Sub TV's Tri Deviya and as the lead role in and TV's Bitti Business Wali. Guys, we have got a great show lined up for you, so please welcome Sama Pratap Nayak and Prakriti Mishra.
Hi. Thank you for having me. Hi. I'm really sorry for the mess behind me. I did not anticipate that there's going to be such a upmarket show. You're all dressed up. I'm in my pajamas.
I am in my pajamas, but just a coat to add the vibe.
Yeah.
To add the
We
feel
don't
of
see the
show.
pajamas or the nada. Yeah.
Hi Samar. Hi Jyoti.
Hi Prakriti.
Hello.
Hi Prakriti. I had no idea you're going to be on this show. Wow,
Yeah, even
what a
I
surprise.
had no idea that you were going to be on
What?
that show.
Why you guys
What a
are?
surprise.
I'm
Oh,
so
we're not
surprised to
supposed to
see you
add
here.
it. Okay.
What's
Yeah,
up? How
I'm
you guys?
Pura surprised.
केमती अଛ? आपण माने खुशी तो
नमस्ते ଆମେ ମୁଁ ତ बिल्कुल भी ଭଲ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ବାକି ତମେ କେମିତି ଅଛ ସମା how are you
ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଭାଷା ବାହାରିବ ମୋ ମୁହଁରେ, so please don't. I've been in a horrible headspace lately because of some client work and whatnot.
you
Life is
must be
not that.
watching this show so be careful when you say this.
I'm kidding. That was a joke. I love my clients. They are amazing people. Yeah, but yeah, having said that, I think it'll get better now that I'm on Jyotir's show. So she'll lighten up my mood. She'll cheer me up.
I am extremely, extremely happy to have you both on board. Seriously, thank you so much for coming. But can I just take a moment to thank Prakriti for being such a sweetheart to me and the entire show? I mean, me and Prakriti started talking when Bini Appa came into existence. And since then, she has been so cooperative, na? For the very few of you people watching me right now and who don't know Prakriti, Prakriti is one of the most celebrated names in the Odia film industry. And not just here, she has done some incredible work out of Odisha as well. She has been making us so proud. I mean, we are proud of you. We are proud of you. Koi koi tanko thaki galanu. And she has been keeping so busy these days. But she agreed to my show. And not just that, apart from being such a talented artist, she is an incredible person. I mean, the very day I told her that I'm planning for a show like this, but I'm very nervous, she told me that chill, बहुत बढ़िया है, तू talented अच्छु, तू तो तेरे potential अच्छे, तू भला करिबो, and I want to see you as the next humor artist from this state. I was like, ମାନେ ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବିନି ମୁଁ ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ feel କରୁଥିଲି, and she agreed to the show. I was bothering her so much. It's been more than 2 to 3 months that I'm bothering her saying कि दीदी हम एमती शो करिबा, दीदी एमती शो करिबा, दीदी हम सेमती शो करिबा, एमती करिबा, सेमती करिबा.
But I could actually sense it कि it's gonna be really fun and it's gonna be something that I haven't done, or I'm sure like ସବୁବେଳେ କ'ଣ ଥାଏ ନା ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ବହୁତ planned ଥାଏ. So yeah, like I thought this will be a very non-planned and a very very nice talk, you know, like casual and fun apart from the regular
ଏଇ ଗଲା
stuff.
ଆଜିର ମୋର ପ୍ରୋମୋ ଏଟା ପୁରା ଏଟା ହିଁ
The
ରଖା
first
ହବ
time I
କେବଳ.
heard, yeah, the first time I heard about Jyoti was when me and Prakriti were sitting in Mango doing really like research work, you know. Obviously, what else do you do in Mango?
Yes.
We were sipping milkshakes and talking about some research work. That's when she told me that there is this girl who is basically the Kushika Pilla of Odisha. And I was like, who is this girl? Let me check. Yeah.
भगवान ही तो, oh god.
No, because I thought
and then
I told him that this girl has a lot of potential, I think, and I think she's gonna do really, really well.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I can
That's
see
so
why you
sweet.
said that. I can see why you said that she has a lot of potential. She's very talented also.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. I'm sold.
यही खेल गया summer of 69. यही करता है ये लड़का.
First, though, I saw that post of yours. I don't look Odia enough. That post long ago, wala, Pakhada wala.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah. You don't look, bro. You don't look Odia. I'm sorry. I don't carry my cyclone along with me or something like
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was exactly a few months after Funny.
Yeah. That was the
Yes.
sentiment, because everywhere people, like, I remember when I was in Andhra Pradesh, when I was in Bombay or in Bangalore, people would look at me and you're like, you don't look Odia enough. I'm like, what do you mean by Odia enough?
Exactly.
ମାନେ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କଂସା ମୁଁ ପଖାଳ କଂସା ଧରିକି ବୁଲିବି ତମ ପାଇଁ ନା ଚୁଡ଼ା ଫିଙ୍ଗିବି ତମ ମୁହଁରେ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ what do you expect from me?
चूड़ा all over your face, bro.
ଚୁଡ଼ା କଦଳୀ, like what?
But mostly I'm glad that Samar could finally make it to the first episode of the show. Because
Yay!
absolutely glad for that.
Summer.
I'm so sorry.
You would have invited
Thank
your
you.
girls on a special, like, you know.
That's
with
what I'm about to
doing
say.
this.
That's what I'm about to say. Apart from being busy in the dreams of several women, he also happened to be busy in several other trades, such as digital content creation and writing. I'm saying good things about you,
Yeah.
Samar. Chill.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
thank you.
Good things
I'm
about
just I'm so not used to hearing such good
Good
things about
stuff.
me.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
I went to a live session of Samar and girls were like, Samar,
हाँ
what?
मैंने सितम मैंने पूरा लागे मैंने पूरा
Good
एमटी
God.
से
चौड़ी थी
लाइव
busy.
सेशन भी पे रही यही करता है.
That I know that I have been to 2 to 3 live sessions. My God, I feel like केबे केबे मत लगे I'm telling you, कभी कभी मतलब लगे, I'm in such a private space. I should now move from here. एठिया मु रही करूँगी.
For you, it's like this is like what is this orgy that I did not know about?
No, believe me.
Yeah.
Summer, your voice is so sexy. Summer, your breath is so sexy. Summer, oh my God.
It is very
I
sexy.
mu जाऊँगी, mu रही परिविनी.
But dude, come on, Summer's voice is sexy, dude. You
Oh,
gotta
yes.
give him for that.
Look who's talking. Look who's talking. Can we talk about Prakriti and her Insta live and how
Oh, please.
thirsty guys
Mine, so you
are
know
all
how
over
it
her.
is.
Okay.
अरे her Insta people are very
comment section
miscellaneous.
देख दिया? Really?
Yeah. I have
comment section
like
ଟିକେ ଦେଖ.
comment section तो
comment.
मैंने मोर बहुत गुडे सांग मानकर होची कि से माने they literally go to my comment section and you know like they get a pack of chips and then they enjoy my comment section and eat.
अरे
मुझे तो
comment section में
whenever I
कहा था.
feel bad.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. You're saying something.
No. You go ahead. You're the guest. You're
No,
given
whenever
the
I'm
liberty.
feeling, whenever I feel depressed and sad, and I feel bad about myself now, I go and I check out the guys who comment on Prakriti's pictures. I'm like, no matter what rock bottom I hit in life, I'll never be this guy who is writing,
Oh
oh,
my
that's
God.
what looking, wow, very beautiful.
Yeah.
It's not even coherent half the time.
So can we move on to a game session?
Yeah.
First,
Okay.
what are the 3 things you would pick up if your house was on fire?
My parents, my comic books,
Things,
and my
things.
PlayStation. Yeah.
Things.
Things. Okay, comic book, PlayStation, and condoms. Yeah.
Aarti's gonna watch this. Oh my God.
But you can buy them, dude. Like, why would you carry them with you?
You never
in
know.
your
You
house?
never know.
Exactly.
What? No, I go outside the house and you
What?
never know.
So you-
when
What about
something
money,
strikes you.
Summer? What about money? You just said you can compromise sleep
okay.
with money.
See, no, Lakshmi is gonna follow. That's why I'm. Never mind. I'm not gonna go there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, next question.
So?
If a movie was made on your life, what genre it would be, and which Indian actor would play you?
Horror, Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah.
Where is the worst place you could get stuck?
In the lift.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're
Yeah, because
claustrophobic.
I'm a little claustrophobic. Yeah, a little. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Where is the worst? Okay. When did you screw up everything, but nobody found it was you?
So when you said screw, I was thinking. When you said screw up, I was like, Okay, so the last time I screwed up was. So what happened now? I was supposed to call someone on stage for this event, okay? And then I forgot the name. But then I winged it
my
anyway.
God.
Yeah, I forgot their name. I forgot that they were supposed to come. And then someone told me in the microphone, hey, they are supposed to come. So I was like, hey, listen, I did not want to introduce them because I wanted his work to introduce him. And then they had like the biggest, yeah. So I made it up and nobody knew. Everybody thought it was part of the script. So yeah. that's what happened.
Pro presenter.
I was like, I wanted their work to speak for themselves. Why will I introduce?
God forbid they're not watching the show.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What, according to you, is the advantage of being really tall?
The advantage of being very tall is you can look at things that others can't.
What is the worst
Like the
smelling
weather,
thing?
the sun, the
Make
clouds.
so hit a
Guys,
smell.
get your head out of the gutter. Get your heads out of the gutter. I'm talking about the trees and birds and... Yeah, I can't help it if your head is in the gutter, okay?
Okay, this is
I
supposed to be a rapid fire. Okay. What is the
Okay,
worst
okay,
smelling
good,
thing
good.
you would make your head a spill?
Coconut oil. Yeah,
What?
yeah.
That's not
Coconut
that
oil.
bad. Okay. What is the most
Yeah, go ahead,
useless thing you know how to do?
I know how to...
I'm just imagining so many things, Summer, about you. Sorry.
I can make the noise of an ambulance. I can make an ambulance noise, but
Oh,
it has
please,
like
please.
no application.
Oh, go
We
for
are-
it. I wanna
We are
hear
all
it.
ears to hear it. Please, go for it.
Okay.
Call the ambulance.
Okay, ambulance, okay. After that horrible rapid fire round, I'm the casualty. It's not so great, but Yeah.
amazing.
It is.
It is
Thank you.
amazing.
Good job.
Sama, next question. If you would wake up as a girl tomorrow, what would you do first?
I will open my other DMs and delete all the dick pics. It's disgusting. Every
That's
little,
that's
yeah.
the smart thing to do.
Yeah. Because I don't know why guys do that. I don't understand why guys feel the need to send you a dick pic. That also absolute stranger. He's not even your
I
boyfriend.
haven't got any
just like-
actually yet. I
You
got
don't
one.
check your other folder. You must be getting plenty.
Alright.
The last question. If you had the world's attention for 30 seconds, what would you say?
If I had the world's attention for 30 seconds,
Yes, yes.
I'm going to spell out my address and my number and then tell my size. I mean, how tall I am. How tall I am. How tall? How tall? Tall, guys, come on.
You are matrimonial
How
site
tall
in
you are, that
person.
you can-
You are matrimonial site in person.
Yeah, yeah. Our heads are in the gutter, okay?
No,
मैं तो
mine
बोल
तो
रहा
yeah,
हूँ.
yeah.
Such nice people.
No, you guys are imagining, I don't know what. Good lord. I thought I was coming to a dharmic show.
Okay. First question. What are the 3 things you would pick up if your house was on fire?
What are the 3 things that I'll pick up when my house is in fire? Cash if I have.
Rapid fire.
Then. Oh, okay. And my few clothes. And what?
What about your phone?
And my-
probably?
And my speakers.
Phone?
Phone will be obviously with me.
ऐसे कैसे? पता कैसे चलेगा?
चलो phone, speakers और पैसे.
Cool. Okay.
गाना
so-
चाहिए.
If a movie was made on your life, what genre it would be and which Indian actor would play you?
Okay. So if my life will be a movie, then it will be a very inspirational, but comedy, but romance, and I think Priyanka Chopra. Would
I knew
do
it. I
justice.
already knew the answer.
Yeah, because I really like her.
I know. Where's the worst place you could get stuck?
Worst place I could get stuck. A dirty place, like जो गंधिया जगह था ना, मैंने अपरिष्कार जगह था, such places like some place where there is dump yard or something like that.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did you screw up everything but nobody found it was you?
Oh, okay. I have actually many of them, but actually, usually I'm a very foundable person. Like मुझे देखिए कि कांड भी करे मुझे धरा पड़ी जाए because मुझे लुच्चे ही पारे नहीं. So a lot of times actually, basically at home and मैंने छुआ बड़े जैसी करती है अभी तक सेमती की situation आसुनी. But हाँ मु
Solla. Gone. Rapid
हाँ, बहुत
fire.
बड़े incident अच्छी है, like
Rapid
not
fire,
particularly I
gone.
don't have it. अच्छा हाँ, sorry, this was a rapid fire. I forgot only. See that question.
Amir,
पूरा पूरा
Amir.
brief वाला answer है.
No, none of us followed the rapid fire ka rules. हमें गप्पी चे
Yeah,
पूरा.
I
full
did.
on
I
गप्पी
did.
चे.
Nana, moo kari chela. I'm the winner.
See, like,
Okay.
Okay. What is that one thing you would not do even for 10 crore rupees? I did not ask this with Summer.
Oh shit! Why didn't you ask me? There's so many things I would do for 10 crores rupees.
I wouldn't or I would.
Not.
Oh, would not.
Would not. अरे यार, there is actually for 10 crore now. I swear I need 10 crore right now. So I don't mind not doing anything. Like I can do stuff if I'm given an opportunity of having 10 CR.
Oh God.
Come on.
Can you kill someone for 10 crore?
Kill someone.
That's easy. Obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously. Look at her. She has murderer written all over
I'll
her.
kill with my kindness or I'll kill with
Oh,
my
sure.
looks.
Oh my God.
10 जनों को मारी के खाए दो वाला से.
Okay, what according to you? What according to you is the advantage of being really tall?
I am not tall at all. I'm 5'4".
No. I mean, what according to you is the advantage of being tall?
Oh, okay. I thought you just. Okay. I think the advantage of being tall is that you get very nice hugs, like that, and also you fit with your partner in a
You
different
fit?
way.
Oh yes.
And
Spooning.
fit.
Okay.
How would you?
Spoonings and all that, yeah. So I think that's
Yes.
Okay.
advantage.
I relate. Much relate. I relate very much.
Of course.
Spoonings and hugs. Of course I do.
Of course.
Yeah.
Tall, obviously.
Yeah.
If you would wake up as a boy tomorrow, what would you do first?
Any which ways, I'm often called that.
what
That
will
I'm
you
the
do
male
first?
friend of. What will I do first? I'll probably enjoy all the boy things that they do, like physically,
as in?
as in like I would actually go to the to girls and like I'll throw those all cheesy lines on them
Okay.
like Summer does.
Hey, I don't do any cheesy lines.
But
What are you
he
talking about?
doesn't put cheesy lines. His lines are pretty nice.
Yes.
Thank you. Top and caption like okay, you have to say it.
What is the most useless thing you know how to do?
I eat cement.
Oh, yes, I know that. Oh. If you had
What
the
the
world's
fuck?
attention for 30 seconds, what would you say?
30 seconds. Do whatever the fuck you do, guys, and don't care about anything, anybody. Fuck everyone and do whatever the fuck you want to do. This world is any which way is gonna go and end. So yeah.
Yay. Yes.
Queen.
Liberation.
Yeah, just do whatever you want to do.
Yeah. Okay.
But
okay.
according to
Okay.
me, because Prakriti took a lot of time to answer, so Summer is the ultimate winner we have.
Yes. Yes. Summer of
Take it,
69.
Summer. Like, take it.
Yes.
Take it.
Are you
Hallelujah.
loser? Prakriti, you're such a loser.
तुम
my
भी
God.
क्या याद
Oh my
रखोगे?
God, such a loser.
We have many more games to
What's
come.
the point? What I feel like that dialogue. तुम्हारे पास national award है, तुम्हारे पास serials है, तुम्हारे पास ये है वो है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? And I'll be like, मेरे पास ज्योति का rapid fire round का win है. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yes.
Let's do the dare.
Yes. Pick a number.
Seven.
Three.
Let her choose, na,
Seven,
Baba. Let her choose.
Three.
Three. Okay.
You know what? You'll win. You'll choose. You'll do everything.
Oh, it's actually a
Everything
nice
I'll
thing.
do.
It's a nice thing.
Ah.
Okay. 3.
Stuff a food item in your mouth and sing a song.
Oh, this is
Food
perfect.
item right now. I have to get a food item right now. I don't
Yes,
have
you
a food
can.
item.
You can. We are going to wait for you.
Hmm.
Stuff it all.
Oh,
जो कितना इच्छा सबू तक पैटर्न निया. Shit. Stuff it all in your mouth.
Oh, that's what
But-
she said. That's
No.
what she said.
That's why I wasn't into Odia now.
देखो ऐसे गाओगे तो कोई जरूरी नहीं होगा. Nobody will be zaruri to you.
The first question is, during which month do people sleep the least? You'll be given 30 to 60 seconds. 60 seconds to think.
The people sleep the least. It's February, of course, because we have less number of days in it.
Wow,
Oh,
that
wow,
was smart.
wow.
That was fast. Okay.
That was really smart. Wow, so smart, Prakriti.
I know, right?
Okay.
Prakriti is so smart.
Moving ahead.
Yeah, the next one.
What kind of table can you eat?
What kind of table you can eat?
Table can you?
Timetable?
You don't eat timetable. You only eat cement.
What the hell, Prakriti? Cement खाऊ छु, timetable खाऊ छु. What the fuck?
No, wait. I know this. This is
Yeah.
which kind of table you can eat?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, vegetables.
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
Vegetable.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
See?
Nice. Okay. Now moving on. What has to be broken before you can use it?
Heart.
What has to
Trust.
be broken before you use it?
Oh my God, Summer, control yourself. he's in very deep thoughts.
Egg.
Oh, egg.
Egg.
Anda.
Anda.
Summer gets a bonus this time.
Yes.
Alright, so let him take this
Yeah.
one.
Ha.
Yes.
Okay. So, where were we? Yes. So next question: what is yours, but others use it more often than you do?
What is mine? Another.
Bhabbo. It's easy. You can do it.
Prakriti.
People
What's the name?
take my name more often than
Yes.
I do.
Yes. That
Yay.
was smart. Friends like Summer should exist.
I know,
Yes.
right? He's such a sweetheart. I love
Thank you.
you.
Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you.
she said it with a poker face. She said it with a
You're
poker
like, I love
Really?
you.
Oh my God. Okay.
She did not mean it at all. Okay, moving on.
What the fuck,
What
Prakriti?
can you catch but never
I
throw?
literally gave you. Okay. What can you catch? Ach.
And never throw.
In summer, please.
Ego? No, I'm kidding.
Hey, Achi.
You can throw ego.
Cold.
Yes.
Cold.
Yes. You're right.
Yes.
Okay, you did them all.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Okay.
Okay.
What spends all the time on the floor but never gets dirty?
What spends all the time on the floor but never gets dirty?
Yes.
Shadow.
Wow, that was really smart of you, Summer. That's the answer. Wow. Okay, second question. What goes up and down but never moves?
Okay, sun.
What sun?
Okay.
You live in a one-story house made entirely of redwood. What color would the stairs be?
You again. Repeat.
You live in a one-story house made entirely of redwood. What color would the stairs be?
You won't have any stairs.
Wow, Summer, I'm
Yeah.
totally impressed. That's the answer.
Thank you. ନାଇଁ ରେ ଏ କିଛି
No,
ନାହିଁ
no.
what? It just,
Not at all.
I'm literally
Okay. So the next question: what is full of holes but still holds water? Should I repeat? What
Sorry.
is full of holes but still holds water?
I
Okay.
don't know what is the answer.
This is ball.
I don't know what balls you're seeing, Prakriti.
I am saying ping pong ball.
Oh, okay.
You can actually derive the answer from that. Yep.
No, I think I'll give up. I don't know.
A sponge.
Oh, okay, interesting. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. What disappears the second you start talking about it?
Okay.
What disappears the second you start talking about
You
it?
talk. Okay. Wait, I'll think about it. Wait, give me some time, please. I cannot
Yes.
lose this. Prakriti.
You have 30 seconds.
Yes, you
Hey,
have
hey,
got
hey,
only
hey,
30
hey.
seconds.
Yeah. I gave you hint, Prakriti. Give me hint.
Are not necessarily I'll be knowing things, no? Any which ways I'm having memory loss.
Oh,
जी मारे लगा दो जिम फल से. Okay, wait.
disappears the moment you talk about it.
Time's up, time's up, time's up.
Fuck yeah. Okay. What is it? What is it?
Silence.
Are yaar.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, Summer, but the winner of the riddles is Prakriti. We have a winner now. We are
Okay.
going to give a dare to Summer.
Guys.
Yay. Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you,
Give me
Summer,
the
for
dare.
letting me win this.
No,
Means
you
a lot.
deserve it. You deserve it, Prakriti.
Yes, yes. She was
The
fast.
award
Yeah.
मुझे जाता है.
Do you have a speech ready? for
Oh,
your-
yes.
No.
I'd
I
like
have
to thank.
sanitizer ready to
I'd
spray.
like to thank Jyoti. Just that.
Okay. So
Okay,
what's my dare?
Yeah,
What's
yeah,
my
yes,
dare?
yes.
So,
You
Summer's dare.
choose, pick a number. Okay. So let's check what do we
Yeah.
have on the sixth number. Okay. Tape yourself and pull it off, like wax it.
Ouch.
Yes.
Okay, wait, let me
Get
go.
yourself a tape.
Let me go get. Yeah.
Yes.
See you. Bye.
Okay, let's
Okay.
start. 3, 2,
Ready?
1, go.
Check. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ouch.
चल इतना तो ठीक है यार. कौन तू इतनी किटी
Sorry,
सारी
bro.
इतना कौन?
It is. This
Congratulations,
Yes,
this
yes.
got wax.
Yes.
is how y'all feel. Why do you put yourself to this? What's wrong
Yeah,
with you?
right.
Sociopath,
Good
dude.
job.
Psychopath.
For
Thank
ultra
you.
soft twacha.
I don't want ultra soft twacha. This is like crazy.
So we'll start with Sama this time. Okay.
Okay. I'm
So
gonna
the
concentrate. Go ahead.
Okay. So the first tongue twister is Kala chheli pole, Dhala chheli pole, Posi gale, Buddha mule. You'll have to repeat it 3 times consecutively.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଥର କୁହ ମତେ ମନେ ରହିଲାନି. Yeah.
Kala chheli pole, Dhala
Okay.
chheli pole, Posi gale, Buddha mule.
Okay. କଳା ଛେଳି ପଲେ ଧଳା ଛେଳି ପଲେ ପଶି ଗଲେ ଗୁଧା ତଳେ.
Buddha no,
Buddha
Buddha mule.
ବୁଧା ମୂଳେ
Oh, sorry,
ବୁଧା ମୂଳେ
Buddha mule.
Buddha nuhe, Buddha mule.
ବୁଧା ମୂଳେ. You Lord.
Oh, you
I
have
think
to
I've
say it
lost.
3
I've already
times.
lost.
No, you have to say it
Buddha
3
mule, I've
times.
already lost it. Okay.
Okay,
Buddha
let's,
mule, right?
let's
Buddha
go with
mule.
that. He lost it. We'll go with that.
No. I want one more chance. No, I want one more chance. Please. କଳା ଛେଳି ପଲେ ଧଳା ଛେଳି ପଲେ ପଶି ଗଲେ ବୁଧା ତଳେ. ଧଳା ଛେଳି. Shit.
You're losing it. This was supposed to be that way.
Okay. This is like
Okay.
really hard. This is really hard to me. I'm
I
scared.
knew it.
Okay, go ahead.
Ebe second. Okay.
Okay.
ସଂସାରେ ସଂସାରୀ ସଞ୍ଚେ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ସମ୍ପତ୍ତିରୁ ଶହେ ଶହେ ବିପତ୍ତି.
ସଂସାରେ
ସଂସାରେ ସଂସାରୀ ସଞ୍ଚେ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ସମ୍ପତ୍ତିରୁ ଶହେ ଶହେ ବିପତ୍ତି.
ସଂସାରେ ସଞ୍ଚେ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି
ସଂସାରୀ the man, a worldly man.
Okay.
ସଂସାରୀ.
Okay. ସଂସାରେ ସଂସାରୀ ସଞ୍ଚେ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ରୁ
ଶହେ ଶହେ.
हाँ हाँ.
ସଞ୍ଚେ. Oh God, this is really hard.
This is a
Okay.
tough one, but yeah, Jyoti and I got it.
Yeah.
This is very tough.
ସାରୁ 12 କିଲେ, ଆଳୁ 12 କିଲେ, 12 କିଲେ, 24 କିଲେ.
Sadhu I was going to
Go
say
on.
Saru Baro Kile.
I know. That is why.
Saru Baro Kile. Saru Baro Kile. Alu Baro Kile. Kile Baro na. I can't do this.
Oh God. One more time. We want to see you screw it up, please.
I have never seen such humiliation ever. Like, wow. पूरा मन है.
But yeah, this is tough. This is really tough. Ready? Costa
Very,
riddles
very.
गुड़ा. माने riddles को tongue twisters गुड़ा. कला छेली पल्हे, धला छेली पल्हे, पसिगले बुदा मुळे. कला छेली पल्हे, धला छेली पल्हे, पसिगले बुदा मुळे. कला छेली पल्हे, धला छेली पल्हे, पसिगले बुदा मुळे.
Hat. Okay. Nice.
And मोर
Okay,
ओडिया
fine.
बहुत शुद्ध, but तापरटा मु बहुत डाउटफुल मोर कहि परिबो कि नै.
ହେଇ ପାରିବ
संसारे संसारी संचे संपत्ति संपत्तिरु शहे शहे विपत्ति. संसारे संसारी संचे संपत्ति संपत्तिरु शहे शहे विपत्ति. संसारे संसारी संचे संपत्ति
Hey,
संपत्तिरु
gala,
शहे
gala,
शहे
gala.
विपत्ति.
No, she screwed
No,
up.
she
said
Last
it
one I
right.
screwed up. No?
संसारे
She did.
संसारी संचे संपत्ति संपत्तिरु
Okay.
शहे शहे विपत्ति.
Okay.
Pro,
No need
pro.
to show off now. Okay. Stop showing off. Okay.
अरे,
एटा टिके
बर्न
come on.
कोई बात नहीं
Yeah, okay, fine. कोई नहीं.
ओके थर्ड वन
सारू 12 किलो आलू 12 किलो 12 किलो 24 किलो आलू 12 किलो सारू 12 किलो 12 किलो 24 किलो आलू 12 किलो सारू 12 किलो 12 किलो 24 किलो.
Hat.
Hatch. Yay!
सो क्लियरली वी हैव अ लूजर नाउ तो एबे आउ गोटे डेयर समर को दिया जीवो समर
Yes.
पिक अ नंबर
This one.
Mm.
Okay. 2.
okay okay so we have got an interesting dare now say
Okay.
जीवनटा गोटे सेउ जहा हेउची हौ
Okay.
with
do
water
that.
in your mouth
Nice.
Why
I think
did
Summer will-
why did I think this was going to be easy? Wait.
It is
Let me pour
easy, come
myself
on.
some water. So I got myself a glass of water, not a bottle. I couldn't find a bottle, so glass it is. Yeah.
yes
So are we ready? Okay, all right.
अरे पी बार नहीं
Come on, Summer.
I don't think it is possible with
Summer.
water.
It is not.
just
It's-
one try
It's quite
Yeah.
one next try गोटे
Okay, one take a company maybe thorough, okay?
हाँ
हाँ.
জীবনটা গুটো সেও যাহা হেউ কি হেউ
কি cute हो. এই सब जितना पहुंची है.
I'm so sorry.
nice
I sounded like I was from
You did the
Gorakhpur.
dare pretty well.
Hmm.
Thank you. It takes a lot of effort and dedication and hard work. to
True.
do it.
yeah of course so now
Yeah.
So we'll head on to the last game we have. The rules of the game
Yeah.
are pretty simple. One has to sing a song, and the other person has to pick a word from this song and sing another song starting with that particular word. Did you guys get it?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay, I'm starting. मेरा मन कहने लगा पास आके न तू दूर जा. मन
दूरी सही जाए ना सही जाए ना सही जाए ना सही जाए ना.
God. Prakriti Di, God.
Yes.
She lost it.
अरे but there was literally no word to sing in it.
Why do you think I chose the song?
Okay, so now we have another loser, which is Prakriti Di, obviously. So Prakriti Di,
Summer scanned me actually.
Yes, I did. I know I did. I kind of did. You have to
okay,
use your brain.
okay, pick a number, pick a number.
4.
Pour.
Towel
Towel-
भी चलेगा.
Towel, lungi, whatever you have, tie it in 10 seconds and click a picture and post it
Yeah.
on your story.
Ha. How about that?
Yes. Yes, tag us. Tag him and tag me and write how's the jokes.
Yeah. How's the jokes? Yeah. Promo. Come on. You have to do it.
All right.
Oh my God, it's happening.
Okay,
Tick tick
start.
2. Tick tick 3. Tick tick 4. Tick tick 5. Tick tick 6. Tick tick 7. Hey, hello.
They're done.
Yes. Post a picture,
Yeah.
post a picture.
Good job. You have to take a
I will.
picture and post it.
Yeah. So we are done with the show. We had a great time. Literally had a great time with you, and I'm looking forward to shoot more and more episodes with you guys. You guys are so much fun. Seriously.
Next time
We had fun.
I'll have a phone holder next time. and
Yeah,
I'll do-
please
I'll
get a
be
phone
there,
holder.
you know,
We are going to give you some really weird dares next time.
okay, next time it is. Next time.
No, but honestly,
Thank you.
Jyoti, we had so much fun and it was like really different. बहुत ही interesting and not about just the serious stuff. It's fun, it's nice, and all my best wishes to you for
Oh.
the thing that you're doing right now.
Thank you
Yeah, Jyoti,
so much.
I'm so glad you called me. And again, I think it was true what Prakriti said about you. You are a individual with a lot of potential. You're not Kushika Pilla of Odisha. You're Jyoti of Odisha, and you have just so much in you. And I hope you're on your way already. So, yeah,
Thank you so
do this, do
much.
this. Yeah.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for
Guys are
having
so
me.
nice.
Lots of it.
Guys are so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much thank you so much for coming to my show. You guys are the best. You
Were
guys
you
are my
saying
first
fuck?
guest. No, I didn't say fuck. No.
Oh, did you? Did you?
Did I? I'm
I'm just
sorry.
messing around with you, Jyoti.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you. Good night.
Alright.
Have a great day tomorrow.
Good night.
Thank you
every
so
Take care.
much.
Bye bye.
Take care, Jyoti.
Bye bye.
Lots
Take
of love.
care.
Take care. Bye,
care.
guys.
Bye, Samar.
Bye.
Meet me
Bye,
soon.
Prakriti.
So we are done with the first episode of How's the Jokes. And I'm hoping कि आपण मानको भी भल लागिथिबो. जदि वीडियो टी भल लागिछि ताले डेफिनेटली एटा को लाइक कर देबे. Actually show रा मोटिव ही एया थिला कि no serious stuff. 2020 has been already so hard to pass for each one of us. तो गोटे एमती शो नहीं कि आसीबा जोटे इनवाइटेड गेस्ट्स माने भी एंजॉय करबे आ आमे देखुथिबा ऑडियंस माने भी एंजॉय करबा. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and send some love in the comment section to these beautiful people and me as well. तो आज पे एति की आउथर देखा बा आउ गोटे इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड रे. Till then, take care. Bye bye.